Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I'm popping in to do the draw for my spring giveaway. I had 7 entries and they were Kaylee, Margaret Flaxman, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter, Jenny's Crafty Corner, Christine's Cards and Things, Lisa Crafting Diva and Pip Field. I'm going to pop my little tin in there. I've got Kaylee, Margaret Flaxman, Andrea the Cumbrian Crafter, Jenny's Crafty Corner, Christine's Cards and Things, Lisa Crafting Diva and Pip Field. There are the 7 entries. I'm going to pop my lid on. Good luck everyone. Give it a good shake around. I'm going to pop my hand in, bring one out, and the winner is number 2, Margaret Flaxman. Oh, congratulations, Margaret. So I don't have your address, Margaret. I will leave my email in my description box below. So if you can just contact me to send me your address. So well done, Margaret. So yeah, there we go. Number 2, Margaret Flaxman. So that is it for today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care, see you soon, and bye bye for now.